Video 4, gasoline prices for Klamath Falls. Let's make some changes so that we can keep track of some prices over the next several days. And so to make our worksheet a little more accurate, let's go ahead and do this. Let's get a subtitle down here and call this price per gallon. And then let's modify our column heading here at C5 for the date that we acquired the price. And then as we go through the week, we'll go ahead and update these dates. And so what you could do is go ahead, grab the fill handle here, and come across the row, and we'll go ahead and put in another 5 or 6 dates here. And then we have these pound signs indicating that we don't have enough room within those columns for the date entry. Let's come up here to C, drag all the way over to our last column where we have entries. And then just double click on any one of these borders here to automatically adjust the column width. And then on the next day, we can come back in and find the current prices for 9/26 in the same fashion that we did here for video 4. And so we'll keep track of these for the next several days. But for today, for video 5, let's go ahead and graph the information that we've acquired for September 25th. And we'll go ahead and make ourselves, this time, a bar chart. So we've done column chart, pie chart. Now I'm going to take a look at a bar chart. So we'll select our values. And then we come over, and it's next to the column. And notice that it is essentially a column chart that's been turned horizontal. And this time, take a look at a 3D chart, see how that looks. And so that's how you get that started, and I'm going to let you go ahead and complete the rest of this utilizing the skills you've learned in the last several videos that we've done on creating charts. Feel free to be a little creative and then have me come by and take a look at your bar chart for these gasoline stations throughout the Klamath Falls area. And once you do finish that, go ahead and move that chart and place it on its own worksheet with an appropriate title.